you are working in the pharmaceutical industry at any level or in any department, or even you are having your own manufacturing company, it may be API manufacturing company or it may be formulation company. So wait and listen what I am sharing with you. Let me share with you, this life is the result of decisions we make. Everyone's life is so different. Have you ever thought that why everyone's life is so different? It is because everyone's life is decided by the decisions he or she is taking his or her life. Similarly, in the pharmaceutical industry, whatever business you are having, whatever growth you are having in your business depends on the decisions you are making, right? And when you take the decision in favor of quality and compliance, so you are building the legacy for your organization, right? And I am helping you to take the decision in right direction and in favor of quality and compliance. Many times people take wrong decision not because they do not want to take the right decision, but because they are not having the data or knowledge that what will be the impact of the decision he or she is taking. So, again and again I am saying that you are average of 5 people you spend the time with. If you are working in the pharmaceutical industry, so make me one person out of those 5 people and see that how your decisions are going to help you to grow in your business or grow in your career. Okay, so welcome to this 90 days challenge of learning with Blue Ocean Compliance. In these 90 days, we are discussing the critical and important elements of quality and compliance, and these are really very important. Many times it may be possible that you think that, oh, this I know, that I know, what is special in that, but it is not like what you know. When you will apply these principles and knowledge on your manufacturing side, then you will get the result. So what I have brought today for you, today we are going to discuss few of the concepts which are very, very important. Like, have you ever thought that whether you can use the expired API in the formulation? So let me share with you that what ICH guideline tells that one cannot use the expired API for making the formulation. But yes, it allows to reprocess or recover the expired API, provided you must have strong data, scientific data with you. You must have stability data, you must have strong CGMP documentation, and you can recover or reprocess the expired material. Okay, so finally the thing is that the quality of the API must meet the specification. Okay, but this should be used very carefully and with the knowledge of regulatory requirement of that particular country. And one thing is sure, that the quality, safety, potency, efficacy should be as per the requirement and in line with your specification. Another concept is that whether if you are recovering the material from the mother liquor, so whether the process validation is required or not required. Let me share with you that recovery of the material from mother liquor is also a process, and we know that any process which we are using in manufacturing the product must be validated. So validation is required. Yes. Now, third concept we are going to discuss, that in the stability samples, the packaging of the material must be same as the packaging of the material which is there in the market. Why? The reason is that in stability samples we study the quality of the stability sample which are there in the market. So in the market, the product, whatever conditions and packaging conditions the product is, the same conditions must be of the stability sample. Then only we will be able to know that what is the quality of that product which is there in the market. So that is the reason that the packaging material of the stability samples and packaging material of the samples which are there in the market must be the same. Okay. And what about the retained sample? What should be the packaging of the retained sample? So let me share with you that packaging of the retained sample must be better than the packaging of this material or product which is there in the market. Why? Because in retained sample we study the quality of the product which was there at the time of packing. So we should use as better as possible the packing material so that the quality of the product must be same when the material was packed for retained sample. So these were today's learning, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will not miss any of the learning. Okay, and do not forget to share your learnings in the comment box so that your eyes, brain and your fingers will simultaneously work, and these learning will be there in your subconscious mind for longer time than when you don't share your learning in the comment box. Okay, so because whenever we discuss anything, so it becomes more and more stronger okay, and when first you listen and then you write, so you are revising the learning also. Okay, so these were today's learning. With this, Dr. Rupali Paranspe signing out until we meet again. Bye. Thank you so much.